Hi everyone, it's Megan Klein with Wishes Family Travel. I'm coming to you from Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. I'm in room 4128, a Savanna view room in the Ostrich Trail here on the 4th floor. When you walk in, you'll see there is a mirror here with a sliding door for the bathroom area. And then on the right, you have your storage, your safe and hangers. Great amount of space in here. And then over here, how cute, your little coffee bar. And then on the bottom, you have your fridge. All of your coffee in here. And then on the right here, we just have some beautiful decor. This resort is just absolutely beautiful. You can see your drawers here for storage, all of your clothes. There's a little seating area for two. And then on the left side, you have two beds here. Really great amount of space in this room. It's a really spacious, beautiful room. And then over here, you have your balcony with your absolutely wonderful Savanna view. You can see all of the beautiful wildlife. It is just absolutely beautiful here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. I love that. And then you have your bathroom area here. Hakuna Matata. You have double vanity with mirror, all of the wonderful Disney H2O products, and then a separate door here with your shower. All right, everyone, Meg Klein at Wishes Family Travel. If you'd like to book a vacation, I'm your girl. Have a great day.